I lost myself because I left my car here and need to enable the Google Maps history. So I thought I'm at place, but I'm 20 minutes away. So need to go here and later on I will go back home. Google history is really nice. Dog spot. I'm wondering, is it possible to go up or not? Not this time for sure, but if I'll be alive, I will come back once again. Goes here the left side, Girona or Girona, and 360 views must be just amazing. Жопизда. And once again, Girona or Girona. I don't know really. It's a really nice place to be, and if I have the possibility, I will come back once again. Highly recommend. And about my plans for today. In 4 hours I'm going to pick my friends from Barcelona Airport. I will be like a taxi driver. Later on we are coming back to Lloret de Mar, and late in the evening dance competitions and dance shows starts, and at the midnight first dance party also begins. So please do not disconnect. I will try to show you everything step by step, and I have really a lot of plans during these days. So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow we will travel more and more, and let's keep moving. Please stay with me. It is our parking. Here is my hotel, and I will show you just a genius idea from Spain in a moment. Now look, it is marked parking lots, and it is sandy parking, so I don't know, not a genius, an alien, and it rains quite often, but someone worked, someone marked all these places. Just genius. People, for the moment I'm showing you the beautiful views of Spain, and I think it's a good time to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. If you enjoying what I'm doing, it is the best motivation for me. If you've already done that, we are moving forward. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Job is done. I'm already back, and I still have half an hour to have a dinner, so need to hurry up. Job is done. This time it was slightly better. Different kitchen, and I really like it more than yesterday. Let's wait until tomorrow and we'll see. It's already 10 p.m. and I'm going to meet my friends to drink a glass of wine, maybe two. And later on, about 12 p.m. I'm going to the dance party. Show's already started, but I'm not hurrying, so we have what we have. Interesting. Формация. Аптека. Russian world. Lazure incoming. People, it's already 3 a.m. Lloret de Mar is alive, but I'm going back home, and unfortunately I cannot show you anything from the dance party because of the YouTube. It blocks everything because we hear some songs in the background. But trust me, it was really nice. Now I'm going to have some rest, and we'll meet each other very soon. Thank you for watching. Please do not disconnect, and bye-bye. Tomorrow we will continue. Hola. Morning, the next day, as you see at my back, really poor weather. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's not. Because of that, I decided to visit some dance classes. And later on in the afternoon, I will make a walk-around tour around Lloret de Mar town. And tomorrow, I hope weather will be better and we will travel together with you. I already marked some nice spots on my map. So stay tuned and let's live our lives. Secta. Every time you can also buy full passes for different dance festivals. It is our dance secta.
Vamos allá, guachineo. Escuchen porque están un poquito adelantados con el giro. Hacen.
Bajo el 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Lado, caminar, la miro, 5, 6, 7.
So good people, it was our dance secta, and once again I inviting you to join our community all over the world. We are traveling a lot. We have a really nice dancers company, and it's really worth to start dancing. Salsa, bachata, kizomba, zouk, whatever you want. They're a really nice community, really nice people. So, welcome! So I'm starting my walk-around tour, and let's start from fake grass. I don't know is it good or not, but it's here. Our company going to eat gnocchi. Hey! Yes, my friends, we're traveling together every year here to Lloret de Mar, and now we'll kill some gnocchi. Yeah. And we'll kill some soup and some beer. Пивка для рывка. Kokius duoda, tokius ir gerai. Curry rice, 10 euro. Gnocchi. Beer was 10 out of 10. Food was 4 out of 10 and quite expensive. For sure it's not a Michelin, so maybe next time I will skip this. Bar, cafeteria, restaurante. And my plans for this evening to show you the city center, but before that I'm going back home to have some rest. So stay tuned, see you in a moment. Easy going, friends meet in the middle of the street, going to gastro bar to buy something. Perfect. It seems that walk-around tour is cancelled.